Hello guys, welcome to another series of coding. Today we will solve a chocolate problem. Okay, subarray division that. So there are the two children, Lily and Ron, want to share their chocolate bar. Okay, instead of reading this whole description, let me take into the demo board. You will get the clear understanding there, and then we will solve this problem. Okay, suppose that there are two children. This is one. Okay, sorry, this is one children. Okay, and this second. These two children are there, right? So this girl has a chocolate bar, and she want to give this boy, and this boy has a birthday. So basically, in what ratio they are going to divide the chocolate? Let that's the question is about. Okay, so suppose that this is the number. Okay, this is a number. These are the number that are the square grid of a chocolate. Suppose that there are chocolate, one grid is 2. Now in the integer was there on 2. Okay, another grid of the chocolate was 2. Okay, and after another grid of the chocolate is 1, and another grid of chocolate number is 3. Okay, every grid of chocolate has its own number integer value. Okay, integer value. Let me erase this. Okay, let me erase this first, and now this have 2. Okay, so in what ratio they are going to divide? The condition is given that the sum of ratio should be divided in this pat and the we should divide the chocolate into this. Okay, this student should get chocolate 4. Okay, for the sum equal to 4, and the and we will add how much grid? We will add 2 grid until the end of chocolate. Okay, we will add only 2 squares of squares. Okay, we will add only 2. Okay, we will add only 2. So how you will tackle this problem? Suppose that we want sum equal to 4. When we take 2 grid, when we take the 2 grid of squares, if the sum equal to 4, then we will plus the count. We will say that in we will divide this chocolate into how many times. Okay, how many times we can divide the chocolate. So basically we taken the 2 grids. So 2 grid, we have taken this first. Okay, oh, okay, we have taken this 2 grid. So the sum equal to 2, sum equal to 4. So we count what the heck is okay, let me erase this and again. Okay, count plus become 1. Okay, count become equal to 1. Yeah, I think you get the point. Okay, count equal to 1 when, and again we will move only one position. So the starting, we started from here. So consider this is starting point, this is ending point. Okay, so we will move by 1. Okay, so we will start plus 1 and end plus 1. So start will come here and end will come here. Okay, so we will plus this, and we will see that the sum equal to the 4 and not, then we will not count plus. Okay, after that we will after that the start was here and the start will come here. Okay, start will come here and the end will come here, and we will plus this, and we will check that sum is equal to 4. Yeah, 1 plus 3 equal to sum equal to 4. We will plus the count by 1. Okay, we will plus the count by 1. Again we will, the start was at 1 and the end was at 3. So we will make the start point here and end point here, and then we will plus the 3 and 3 plus 2. If the sum equal to 4, then we will plus, otherwise we will do nothing. That's the basic logic. Suppose let me take another example to get a clear understanding. Okay, so let me make an array. Okay, so it is basically containing 1 So 3, 4, 1 and 2. Okay, and the d this is a d, and d equal to date of date. Okay, date of his birthday. So d equal to 3. Okay, and we can take only and the m is equal to month of the that boy. So we will take 2. So can only take the 2 square grid of chocolate and whose sum equal to 3. So basically we can first this is start and this is end. We will consider, okay, this is end pointer, this is start pointer, and this is end pointer, and we will plus this, okay. We will see that the sum equal to 3. Yeah, its sum equal to 3, so we will plus the count by 1. We will plus the count by 1. Okay, and initially the count would be 0. Okay, after then we will the start, after that start will come here. Okay, start will come here and end will come here, and we will plus the sum. 2 plus 3 equal to 5 and not equal to d, so we will not plus the count. Again start will come here, start will come here, start will be on 3. Okay, and end will be on 1, and we will plus that, plus 3 plus 1, it is not equal to 3. We will do nothing. The again start will come here and end will come here, and we will plus this 1 and 2 and equal to 3. So we will plus 1 on in the count, and the answer would be 2. So this is a basic analogy. Okay, answer would be 2, and we will return this. So let's jump into coding and you will get the further understanding. Let me explain this example, right? So this was the array, how many times the square grid, okay, and this is a date, and uh, this is a how many how a square grid, suppose this is square grids. Okay, we can take. So the value was 3, so we value was 3, so we can plus 2, we can take maximum 2 times 2 is grid. So 1 plus 1 to equal to 2, not equal to 3, so we will count in become 0. Again we will move here, 1 plus 1 count equal plus 1 plus 1 equal to 2 and not equal to 3. We will do nothing, same for others. Okay, now let's jump into coding. Now we will tell. So first we will make the start pointer. Start pointer would be 0, and end pointer on m. Okay, this is a month, m, and after that what we will do, we will after that we, okay, after that we will initialize count how many times we can divide it. Count equal to, for initial count would be 0, and then we will apply the loop for I in range where len of s len of s. After that it will, and now we will check that total. We will take the total. Okay, total sum, sum and sum, what will be sum, the start and end. Okay, it will initially it will take the start, so the let me take in this. So this was array, suppose that this was array, so start initially was start was 0. Okay, so sum would be start equal, start index was 0, so index 0 till index 2, and till index 2, and we know in Python this is excluded index, so it will sum till index 1. Okay, this it will sum till index 1. So at a 0 index value was 1, and at index 1 the value was 2, so it will sum this value only. Okay, and equal to 3. So that's the logic we are doing here, and after that we will compare with the our D, date. Okay, if total equal to D, then we will plus the count. We will plus the count by 1, and else we will do nothing, and we will just increment start pointer and end pointer. Then we will increment start pointer and end pointer, and after that we will return count. What we have done here, we have increment this start pointer by 1. We start here, come here, and end come here. That's the logic here is. Okay, let me run this program to that, see that it is running perfectly. Okay, it is running. It is running perfectly, I think. Why? I think my net is slow. That's taking too time. It will take only order of n time. Yeah, it's run successfully. Okay, all the test cases are passing. Thank you guys for watching.